So you want to get into a certain job, you need to know what is my niche, where am I really wanting to go. Same thing goes for if you want to be into a business, what is my niche, what do I really want to do. So, guys, one thing I will tell you, like tonight's class is going to be about narrowing down your niche. Now, many of you are probably, still, I remember I asked a question, I think last week or the last week, wherein I asked that, what about actually, how many of you want to accelerate your career? How many of you want to accelerate your business? How many of you want to accelerate your freelance journey, etc., etc. And it's an extremely important thing. You need to know how to narrow down on your niche. Now niche सबसे पहले क्या होता है? Just put IDK on the chat box if you don't know what is niche. If you have no idea what niche even means, just put IDK on the chat box. I feel that people do know, so that is a good thing. Okay, so फिर भी मैं एक क्लैरिटी के लिए एक चीज और बोल देता हूँ. Niche means wherein you are trying to narrow down on your a specific field basically is a niche. And many of us want to, and it's very important. Niche clarity is very important, not just in business, but in career as well. So you want to get into a certain job, you need to know what is my niche, where am I really wanting to go. Same thing goes for if you want to be into a business, what is my niche, what do I really want to do. And I'll tell you, both of these things, people cannot do it at the initial stage. Nobody gives them full clarity about it at the beginning, because of which things get really screwed. So I'm pretty sure you guys must be knowing some people, or maybe you are one of them, and it's very common that they start a job, then they switch it like in 3 months or 6 months or within a year, then they switch another job, then they switch another job, and they're still figuring it out. Like, they're working in startups also, big companies also, then try to figure out that, where do they fit, and they're trying to figure out as and when they're going. Now, what happens in that is, let's say that you have around 3 to 5 years of experience, alag experience, something in sales, maybe you had an experience in maybe SaaS products, in the other one you had an experience in beauty products, in the other one you had FMCG products. Now, the thing is that when you're trying to get into a certain field, the quicker the faster and at the earlier stage, if you know what your niche is supposed to be in terms of career as well, it is good for you, because then what happens is, I'll tell you, it's a very simple thing. When we are trying to hire someone, okay, and the person whom we are trying to hire is going to be somewhere around a person who has good amount of experience. We want the person to have experience which is sales, good. For example, it's sales. For example, it's marketing. For example, it's HR, whatever, I don't care. But the thing is, let's say the person has experience in sales. Very good. Good. Sales में experience है. But let's say my company is a SaaS company. I want a person who has a lot of expertise in sales and a lot of experience around sales. I don't want a person who is from the fashion industry and probably has done sales there too. And they're going to be even further. They're going to be people who've not even had experience in sales. And they'll be like, I'm going to start sales from the very scratch right now. For me, you're a fresher. Okay. From an employer's standpoint, you're going to be a fresher. So you can be like, hey, I have 5 years of work. Why am I not getting the pay grade as anybody? No, it doesn't matter. You're a fresher in my field. You're going to be like, no, I'm going to learn really quickly. मैं सब चीज जल्दी कर लूंगा, मैं जल्दी कर लूंगी, and I'll understand. Yeah, that's great, but you're still a fresher. Now, what do I mean by fresher? It just doesn't mean that you don't know how to sell this particular product or this kind of product. It also means that because you've been there in a certain field for a long period of time, you would have a lot of network, a lot of contacts. You would know how to actually, get the work done. You would know how the mindset of these people are, and so many other things, which for me is very important if I'm paying you a good salary. Is that clear, first of all? Guys, put clear on the chat box if this is clear. It is extremely, extremely important to understand this part, that if you're trying to build a career, the faster you get a niche clarity, the better it is. Same thing goes for businesses. The same thing is for businesses. Now, you want to start your own business. Now, I have seen a lot of people start something as simple as, they're going to be like, they love something and they're going to start a business. It's common. I did that and I failed after 2 years. I did that too. And it's a very common thing. We are all young bloods and, we want to try different things and that's cool. But the thing is, we start a business because you're like, I love this. Chalo, let's start. Okay. कर दिया start. अब पैसे लगा दिए. किसी और के भी लगा दिए, खुद के भी लगा दिए, कुछ भी कर लिया. Now in the middle कि अब क्या करें समझ नहीं आ रहा. So most of the time it is not because your product sucks, your service sucks, or probably whatever other things sucks and everything. Most probably it is because you're targeting to the wrong audience. And that is because you again don't have any niche clarity. So for example, many people, I have seen a lot of people who, a lot of women started their own beauty brands. A lot of people started their own cafes. How many, come on, let's be honest. Do you guys know about this, that people start cafes and जितना मेहनत उनको लगता है अगर उनको 1 साल वो कैफे बनाने में लगा उससे जल्दी बंद हो जाता है. There's so many cafes that get shut down really quickly. It is very, very common because again there was no niche clarity. Like, what do you really do about that? The thing is, what's the differentiating factor? Some people try to come up with designer cafes and everything. But the problem in that is again, that people go to cafes for a different experience. Once they've experienced that, they're done. Ab kya karna hai? They want to try something else. Why would they want to go to the same place again and again? Until and unless it's a place where you want to take them again and again, like a Prez, or maybe, I don't know, things around that. You want to take them again and again to a certain place because it's really, really classy and good, or it's very good for dates, or very good family restaurant. Like Swagat once was very, very good. Like places like these that do really good. You will also I also found certain brands like, beauty brands. They would come up with beauty products and pop. And the worst part is, and I've seen this and it's very, very common. I have seen so many people start their own beauty brands because they had collected their hard-earned money from their job and they're probably still doing their job They're still doing their job. They will start their beauty brands or their clothing brands or anything for that matter. I don't know. I'm just giving an example because I know 3-4 people who are into beauty and fashion brands. And they're just continuing it for the sake of it. Ki shuru kar diya, ab to karna hi hai. So they're just burning money like anybody's business. And I had to tell them that, what are you doing? This is like, and they keep making their websites better. They keep putting their social media better and everything. But people are not going to buy that. People are not going to buy that because they don't know what is your brand differentiator. What is there in your brand that other brands don't have. So you understand, niche is very, very important. Doesn't matter you say beauty products. Beauty products for mature women. Beauty products for below 8. Beauty product for teenage girls. Fashion products for obese women. You understand? You have to have that niche clarity. Because the narrower you go, you'd be able to create a differentiating factor for your brand. कि इस तरीके से मेरा brand बाकी brand से बहुत अलग है. And ये जितनी जल्दी realize करते हो, you can become that. Yeah, that is your micro niche. That's true. So that will become something which is very, very strong.